We are in some sort of a hill station, to say the least, because it has been absolutely foggy and the cold wave has made a return. Though the temperatures have continuously been falling down in the national capital, the IMD has said the next 2 to 3 days are going to be very, very cold. Meanwhile, in Srinagar, it recorded the minimum temperature at -8 degrees Celsius, leading to complete freezing of Srinagar's Dal Lake. Jammu and Kashmir Disaster Relief Force and the river police have been deployed at the lake so that people don't, in fact, walk on the lake and injure themselves. The plummeting mercury also froze taps and made roads slippery. This is the lowest temperature in Srinagar, which has been recorded since 1991. I want to go across to my colleague Shuja Thakur, who's joining us from Srinagar. Shuja, it feels like freezing in Delhi. I can't even imagine how you, in fact, are reporting right now outside. I'm sorry for the inconvenience that I have caused you for the show.
That's all right, Ankit. We've been doing this since to first light in the morning, and it's very cold to say the least. But also, this is the weather that Kashmir is known for. We are looking at very beautiful pictures that frozen lakes and other water bodies are presenting at this point of time. An attraction definitely, which is certainly an inviting visual, all the more for tourists who want to come to visit this valley. But for the local people and the population, it definitely brings in a little bit of trouble, particularly in terms of water supply. A lot of people have been complaining that their water taps have frozen, pipelines have been broken at certain times, and also the slippery roads. Those are the things that primarily are difficulties that the local population faces. And like you were pointing out, this is, even for us, it is unusual. After 25 years, we are seeing, temperatures dropping down to this level. Last time it was 8.3 in 1995. So you can in itself understand how rare this is for the local population as well. And there's no end to it, let me tell you that as well, because the Met Department is predicting that it's going to continue to be dry and cold, which can result in further dropping down of the temperature.
Well, I'm happy to switch places with you, but only for a couple of days, Shuja, because I really, really want to visit Srinagar and Gulmarg at this point of time. Thank you so much for joining us at this moment, Shuja. Take care of yourself.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.